Hello children, how are you? Hope you enjoying your time. See what I have for you. Look at this object. What is this? What I have for you? Yes, this is a blackboard. You must have seen the blackboard. If you get a chance, what will you do with the blackboard? Oh, you can write and draw on the blackboard. Okay. So now we recite a poem, and the poem is on my blackboard I can draw.
I can draw one little house with one green door, two brown gates that open wide, three red steps that lead inside, four little chimneys painted white, five little windows shining bright, six yellow marigolds straight and tall, growing up against the wall. Once more, sing along with me. On my blackboard I can draw one little house with one green door, two brown gates that open wide, three red steps that lead inside, four little chimneys painted white, five little windows shining bright, six yellow marigolds straight and tall, growing up against the wall.
The house drawn by a boy. What are the house have? So the house drawn by a boy has one green door, or one little house with one green door. Two brown gates that open wide, three red steps that lead inside, four little chimneys painted white. So let's count 1, 2, 3 and 4. Four little chimneys. Five little windows shining bright. So let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Six yellow marigolds straight and tall, growing up against the wall. So again let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 yellow marigolds. In this poem we count number of things, so we learn about the numbers. So now we play a quiz. It's a quiz time. I put some question and you all will answer them. How many windows does the house have in the poem? उस घर में how many windows, कितने windows थी? Yes, very good. In the house there are 5 windows. Come to next question. Where do the marigolds grow? Very good. Marigold grows against the wall. The door of the house is of which color? Yes, the door of the house is brown in color. How many chimneys does the house have in this poem? Yes, very good. There are 4 chimneys. What are the color of steps that lead inside the house? Blue, red or purple? So the correct answer is red. Very good. Now we play some games. It's a fun time. So let's play some game. So our first game. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. First picture. He is as busy as, and this is the picture of B. Raj is as slow as, which picture is this? Picture of snail. This pen is as light as a feather. My hair is as black as, this is a picture of night. So we check later. Now come to next. Fill in the blanks the words opposite of the word in red. यहाँ आपको कुछ पिक्चर्स दे रखी हैं और कुछ रेड कलर में वर्ड्स हैं, उनके आपको अपोजिट बताना है. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट. द बॉय इज रनिंग वेरी फास्ट. द बॉय इज वॉकिंग वेरी, opposite of fast, slow. The clown is very happy. The clown is very, opposite of happy, sad. The girl is walking on a loose rope. The girl is walking on a loose, opposite of loose, tight rope. So let's check our answers. Very good. We score 10 out of 10. So now we play our next game. Show the following. The ball on the left side is bigger than the one on the right side. So the ball on the left side is bigger than the right one. So left side में bigger ball and right side में smaller ball. Rita is shorter than Radha. Rita is shorter than Radha. So Rita and Radha. Raghu's basket is heavier than Ratan's. So Raghu's basket is heavier than Ratan's basket. Rajat is taller than Raj. Rajat is taller than Raj. So let's check. Very good. We score 10 out of 10. Now we play our last game, matching the describing words. Match the following words in first column to the other column. Brown gates, green doors, red steps, yellow marigolds, black board, white chimneys, shining windows, and little house. So let us how much we score. We score 10 out of 10. So thank you students.